In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable product reviews and star ratings in WooCommerce. If you want your customers to leave feedback directly on your product pages, WooCommerce makes that very easy to set up. Product reviews can help build trust, give shoppers more confidence before buying, and make your store look more active and credible. In this walkthrough, we'll go into your WooCommerce settings, turn on reviews, enable star ratings, decide whether ratings should be required, and then confirm everything is working correctly on the front end of your store. To get started, open your WordPress dashboard. This is the main admin area where you manage your website and store settings. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the menu on the left-hand side and go to WooCommerce, then click Settings. This will open the main WooCommerce configuration panel. At the top of the Settings page, click the Products tab. This section controls general product-related options for your online store. Scroll through the page until you find the Reviews section. This is where WooCommerce gives you control over whether customers can leave feedback on your products. First, enable product reviews. This turns on the review feature so customers can submit written feedback on product pages. Next, enable star ratings on reviews. This adds the familiar rating system that allows customers to score a product visually, which can be especially useful for helping future buyers quickly understand overall satisfaction. After that, choose whether star ratings should be required. If you turn this option on, customers won't be able to submit a review without also selecting a star rating. This can help keep your reviews more consistent. If you prefer to allow written reviews without a rating, you can leave that option disabled. Right below that, enable the verified owner label if you want reviews from actual purchasers to be marked accordingly. This label can add an extra layer of trust by showing which reviews come from customers who really bought the product. Once you've finished adjusting these settings, save the changes. This is important because your updates won't take effect until they're saved. Now the final step is to make sure everything is displaying properly. Open one of your product pages on the front end of your website and check that the Reviews tab is visible. Also confirm that the rating option appears when leaving a review. If both are showing, then your WooCommerce review settings are now active and working correctly. And that's it. You've successfully enabled product reviews and star ratings in WooCommerce.